Good morning. Welcome to our final day in Benidorm. Last full day for us. We go back home tomorrow. So we're going to nip down, have some breakfast, meet up with our friends, and we'll take it from there.
The 10.5 stone.
Oh, the Christmas tree's up. All decked up, ready for Christmas. Right, let's push on. We'll find our friends. Well, we know where they are because they're staying in the hotel across the road from us. And they're generally sat on the balcony waiting for us to appear. Huh? We'll walk round immediate front. Oh, a bit dodgy crossing this road, isn't it?
Oh.
You know, you stand it across and
fucking slow the drive.
nobody stops to let you cross. Oh, cheers, my friend. Thank you.
That's probably why they slow down for you to cross. Well, they don't stop; they just slow down.
Well, it's like in the UK. If you step onto a crossing, the traffic has to stop. Here, I'm not quite sure how it works.
No.
You just take your life in your hands when you're trying to cross the road. The Rossamar over there. So our hotel is just up there, the Riviera. So we're just wandering down past the Rossamar, past the Calypso, and then we'll turn round onto the strip to the front of the Ambassador Player One. Yeah, so like a plonker, I've forgotten something, so I'm going to have to go back to the room and pick up what I've forgotten. The guy here is fresh fruit and veg delivery. Right, back into the hotel. We'll take you with us. Might as well. Here we go. Excuse the state of the room as we walk in. Ah, there it is. Right, got what I need. Right, we'll try again. So I'm just going to walk round to the front of the Ambassador Player One and meet up with our two friends and my wife. I actually left her to walk round on her own. I'm hoping she's got there okay. She doesn't have much of a sense of direction, does Karas? Yeah, so we've just gone past the Rossamar, which is just there. And then we've got the Calypso, Venus Calypso, and then the Flash Hotel. All quite well situated. You know, if you do fancy the strip, but you just want to be away from the noise at night time, they're ideal. Let me see if I can cross this road now. Start getting well, quickly, off we go. There we are. Cross. Morning, I'm back.
Morning.
Yeah, I found it, yeah. It's not a 2-minute walk, you know. I hope he's got his rucksack on today.
Yeah. Felt guilty, mate.
Felt guilty because I was carrying all. That don't matter.
No, he's fetched his shopping bag. They're doing some.
Oh, I don't know. Some serious retail therapy, is it?
Not for me.
So if you want to, rather than going on the front, we'll walk all the way up here.
Yeah.
And then, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
See? Did you stop long last night?
We left halfway through his act, to say the truth to it.
Yeah.
But it was funny. Very
Yeah.
funny.
Yeah.
Was it Gary George?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gary George, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure we've seen him before. You see that many different people here,
We have seen.
I forget.
Can't remember a single joke.
Oh, from Gary George?
Any of it.
All right.
Well, I used to see more shops.
The Beatles are still there anyway. Right, let's crack on a bit further. So, like I was saying, we've walked up the strip, all the way back down there. We're heading up into the old town. Yeah, quite a few people around, but it's not overly busy. We've just gone past the winning post there. $1 million bar. Oh, Funky Flamingo. So if you watch Benidorm Enthusiast, Lucy, she does the karaoke in there. I believe it's a Monday afternoon and a Friday afternoon, I believe. And then you've got jumping jacks. Already got the sun terrace starting to fill up. Some with coffee, some with beer. Across the road, Red Lips. Not tried that place. Don't think I will be either. Not for me. Morning, how are we doing? All right?
Everything okay?
Yeah, good, thank you. Carol having a sit down.
Crossy Corner, is it? Crossy Corner.
You get mugged if you go down here. Yeah, you get mugged. Muggers Alley, this.
Yeah, this is where.
I think they call it Yellow Brick Road.
Yeah, it is.
It's not very yellow, but it's supposed to be in the night time. It's a bit seedy around here,
Right.
supposedly.
Get jumped.
Martin, you've disappointed me.
What day?
He hasn't got his Bing Crosby hat on. Bo 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 bo, bo 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 bo, gone fishing. There's a sign up on the door.
That's why you up for it.
Probably right. Left it in hotel rooms. Taking piss out of me with that hat on. I'm not wearing that again.
That one hasn't been out for
At
ages.
least you can take it. Have you not brought a sun out?
Hey?
Have you fixed the sun out?
Yeah.
He's got a baseball cap, yeah. He's got stuck in middle, hasn't he?
No go, boss.
15 seconds. Ready? Off we go. So most of you that watch these videos of mine will probably know Benidorm like the back of your hand, so you'll know where we are. So refill work going on there. Flower shop, burgers. A bit of a cheeky looking sign, that, isn't it? If you're into your golf and you fancy a bit of golf while you're over here, you can nip into Union Jack Golf there. Bit of golf gear, organise your golfing days. So a lot of these places, you know, it's post Fiesta. Fiesta was last week. So a lot of places have shut down for a few weeks now before the build up for Christmas again. There she goes. Okay, I'm just watching. Yeah, tip brake go woof, straight down the ramp. Diplomatic Hotel. So we're just going past the Los Alamos hotel.
Lo que me dijo.
You've got the Winners Bar over there. Seven Seas on the other corner. Getting a little bit of a sun trap down here. If you fancy having a beer in the sun, there's one or two nice little bars and pubs down here. A few steakhouses. Shamrock. That's a fairly new one, that.
That's where Jane were in, what's it called?
Right, I suppose you'll recognise where we've got to so far. Up at the top of the, well, I think they call this the Benidorm Centre. I think I'm walking Hot Road. I think I better move. Martin's having to sit down, so I'll have a wander around with the camera. They got McDonald's over there, just behind that supermarket, KFC, Popeyes. You got, I tell you what, you're never short of anywhere to eat here. Eat or drink. It's Benidorm after all. Just if you head up that way there, that'll take you up into the old town. There's your McDonald's. And then you're looking straight down what I believe is the Avenue Mediterraneo, the main sort of shopping area. Just have to be so careful when you're walking around it. You get run over by electric scooters and electric bikes. So all your buses will come up this way as well. So we went down to Albia yesterday on the bus, and it was good. It was for two of us. It was €3.20 for a single. So that was what, $1.60 each. Very, very cheap public transport here. Yeah, you'll see loads of scooters, loads of scooters. There's my favourite shop again, Alley Hop. Right, we'll take a wander back over, and you can see they're over there just having to sit down. Just be careful when we're crossing the road. There we go. Madeira Centro Hotel. Now, not stopped there, but right at the very top there, you see the word Planta 20. And just above that, there is a cocktail bar. And if you look back on some of my previous videos from Benidorm, you'll see we went there one night. I think it was Christmas last year. Fantastic views from up there, absolutely fantastic. And not badly priced either. Cocktails are, they're a decent price. Anyway, looks like we're on the move again. Catch you in a bit. I'll say one thing about Benidorm. There are lots of these lovely little park areas where you can just have a sit down and chill. This one in particular, orange trees. How fresh would that be? Right, I think we're heading up heading up this main shopping street here. So if you're into your retail, try again. If you're into your retail therapy, this is the street for you. Plenty of nice shops down here. I think a lot of these shops will be quite expensive as well. But you know, the Spanish, they always dress well. They always look very smart when they're out. A nice shop there, cool. Armani, sneakers, Boss, Tommy Hilfiger.
That's what I'm going to do though.